In conductors, some of the charges are free to move. They conduct electricity. Examples of conductors are metals. All metals are conductors. Human body is a conductor. Earth is a conductor. In insulators, all the charges are bound to the atoms. They do not conduct electricity. Example of insulators are plastic, hard rubber, glass, and some material are in between. They are known as semiconductors. Semiconductors examples are silicon, germanium. These are semiconductors. Now, the easiest method to charge a body is frictional electricity. When we rub two bodies against each other, they get charged. So if you rub glass rod with silk, the glass rod gets plus charge and silk gets an equal amount of minus charge. So when a glass rod is rubbed with silk, the glass rod gets positively charged and the silk gets equal amount of minus charge. Same way, when a rubber rod or ebonite rod, or for that matter amber, is rubbed with wool, the rubber rod gets minus charge. All these quantities get negatively charged and the wool gets an equal amount of positive charge. So glass rod basically gets positively charged, a rubber rod or an ebonite rod gets negatively charged. This is called frictional electricity. The second method of charging a body is charging by contact. So if a plus charge body is there and there's another body which is neutral, then this will pull some electrons from here to here, so this body also will get plus charge. Okay, this is on an insulated stand, so the charge cannot run away to the ground. So this is called charging by contact. Charging by contact. The next method of charging a body is charging by induction. So now this is a plus charge body, plus or minus makes no difference, and here is a neutral body. So when this comes close to this will pull electrons near to itself. The plus charge will stay behind. Now keeping this here, if we earth this plus charge will get neutralized by the electrons coming from the earth. These electrons are held by this, so they will not run away. So these electrons will remain and more electrons will come to neutralize this plus charge. Therefore, now when we remove this, okay, first we remove the earthing and then we remove this, then this body will get negatively charged. This is called charging by induction. So when this positively charged rod is there, brought next to a neutral body, it may be conductor as well as insulator, doesn't matter, non-conductor, because in a conductor the electrons will actually move. In an insulator or non-conductor, electrons will try to move. So induction takes place in insulators also, in non-conductors also, and these electrons will come this side, the plus charge will stay behind. These electrons are held in place by this. As long as we keep this, these electrons will remain here. So now if we earth this charge gets neutralized, but this remains because this is holding it. Now we remove the earthing and then we remove this. So this minus charge gets distributed on this and therefore this body gets negatively charged. This is called charging by induction.